Welcome guys to my first vlog ever. So I'd like to invite everyone. Sana po subaybayan niyo ako because I'll be helping you out kung paano makakahanap ng mga cheapest travel tips at saka like sa mga birthday parties. What can you actually do here in Dubai para mas makakatipid kayo but at the same time you can feel a little bit of luxurious lifestyle, especially on your special occasions such as birthdays, maybe for weddings in the future or kahit na anong occasions dyan. So, come and join us guys and have fun with us with my friends right here. It's my 32nd birthday, so thank you so much for all watching. Mwah. We'll see you guys.
Ayan na, go!
Woohoo!
Woo!
Wala ka, Jay!